You know, this is episode 4 already.
We've been doing videos. Are you gonna say that you started it, yeah? Oh, okay.
The awkwardness.
Cool.
This is.
I always over talk. That's the thing I notice in the videos is I just yap away.
And I don't talk. I
Yes.
get camera shy.
Yeah. No. Oh my. So okay, no.
No, I'm joking. I'm joking. So we decided we're gonna bake.
Starting off with some shopping at Checkers. Okay, so we're gonna get some vanilla essence for our cake. And here I was getting evaporated milk for the cake. But not gonna lie, filming in Checkers is quite stressful. Pretty much got everything, so we're good to go. So following that quick visit to Checkers, this is the haul. There we go. I'll speed run this part because it was just a lot of looking at my phone for the recipe and then going back and forth, back and forth. Excuse that angle, by the way. And at this point, I was going to make the buttermilk cream. That's the buttermilk right there, mixing it with eggs. It did smell quite weird. And then this part was just adding the baking soda to the cocoa. Proceed for cringy moment. So at this point, the recipe calls for a cup of boiling water. And I did pour it a little too fast, so I did take future notes of rather doing it much more slower and not as rushed. That looks so good. I'm not gonna add that. So everything was looking good here, but then things just took a complete 180. The cake started to sink, and I think it was because here you see I'm busy stirring, and there's little chunks, and those chunks caused the cake to just drop and sink. So this is the final result. I was not happy. Hey.
It's gonna taste good though.
So we're gonna make vanilla cupcakes. We'll start with that already. And hopefully that turns out better because visually I don't see this one winning. So yeah. Unfortunately, that also didn't turn out that great.
So, me and Kyle are doing a bake contest this weekend, and I'm once again late.
Do you understand more as to why I sent you that message a while back saying just say yes or no? Which one's your favorite here?
They're only terrible.
Okay, I'll do that
Let's
one.
be honest.
Okay.
What was your favorite?
So my favorite was this one. So this is a buttercream chocolate cake with pecan nuts on the top. So this was apparently the fan favorite one, but I don't know. It was a bit of a difficult one because the base at the top started crumbling apart and just fell everywhere. But it came out fine, I guess. Then we have.
Nice, he's lying. So later on, when you're editing Gerhardt, just remember to add the picture of Kyle with his collapsed cake.
Please, yeah, it was a struggle.
Okay, and then I bake cake as well, a chocolate cake. It's a little bit dry, but I tried to make it nice. And then, to be honest, my personal opinion is that these two are the same.
That's supposed to be a cupcake, by the way.
Mine is, my opinion is they're exactly the same.
Mm.
And they're white, spongy, that flopped.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay.
Cool. So what I was thinking was, then we have Gerhardt's cake. This one
Oh, look at that masterpiece.
is a masterpiece for days. And speaking about masterpieces, this was supposed to be a cupcake, but oh wait, this is last. Sorry, so it's first, second, third, fourth. So that one was last, and then we have a third one, which is
It's supposed to be a shoe pastry
with a strawberry ganache on top. So these are the four, and we have this little rating from 1 to 5, where the judges had to show that which one they liked best from a rating. Yo, I fumbled that so badly.
You did fumble that.
How you doing?
Who's up first? I don't want to.
That looks good, Kyle.
So we just finished our baking competition. I think it was a success.
I also think it was a success. It was fun.
It was nice. It was nice. A nice way to end Sunday. I think this is one of the challenges that I'll definitely want to do more often. And that's what I think is quite nice of us doing the challenges, is because we're realizing what we like and what we really don't like.
Yeah.
Running was obviously the one.
We're not doing running again.
Yeah, no,
We are not runners.
No.
The hiking was nice. I like the hiking.
Are we doing Lion's Head on next week?
Next week.
Next week, Saturday or Sunday? We'll see.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
that will be a tough one.
That's gonna be a tough one. But like so far, we've done. What have you? Oh, the camping. We really like camping.
Camping is obviously a favorite.
Camping is a favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.